Hey everyone, welcome back to iSafari YT. Today, we're diving into something mind-blowing, faceless YouTube channels making serious cash without any sponsorships. Can you believe it? I'm talking $321,000, $196,000, $83,000, $58,000, and even $35,000 every month, just from ads. In today's digital age, these channels are making more money while they sleep than most people do in a year. Now, the big question is it hard or easy to start your own faceless YouTube channel? Stick around because I've got the answers. But before we get into it, hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Now, let's unlock the top 5 secret faceless YouTube channel ideas that can turn your dreams into dollars. Idea 1. Dive into the world of AI. Imagine a channel talking about super smart robots, gaining 903,000 subscribers in less than a year. Making videos about AI is a breeze. Find info on Google, use ChatGPT for scripts, and grab free pics from Pixabay or Pexels. With a CPM of $5 to $7, they're making around $9,000 per month. Easy, right? Idea 2. Business success stories. Check out this cool channel with 1.2 million subscribers, sharing inspiring business tales. In the last 30 days, they got 6.5 million views, making about $292,000 per month with a $45 CPM. It might be tough at first, but once you grow, the party keeps getting bigger. Get stories from ChatGPT and stock footage from Pixels. Idea 3. How to grow on YouTube. Look at this small channel all about helping you grow on YouTube. With $7 to $10 per 1,000 views, they're making $116,000 a month. Easy to start. Get info from articles, make videos on trendy topics, and you're on your way. It's competitive, but you can snag those views easily. Idea 4. Top 5 things. Imagine a channel with 2.81 million subscribers making videos on the top 5 of anything. With $4 to $5 CPM, they're earning big. No script needed, just chat with ChatGPT for top trending things, grab stock footage, and watch those views roll in. Idea 5. Facts channel. Check out Hater TV with 5 million subscribers diving into interesting facts. With a CPM of $5, they're making around $72.5 thousand a month. The secret? Make your content unique, grab facts from Twitter, and grow super fast with your own interesting twist. And there you have it, folks, the top 5 faceless YouTube channel ideas that can turn your dreams into dollars. Which idea resonated with you the most? Comment below and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you in the next one. Stay awesome.